Number 1. 1970 Volkswagen Squareback with 21110 engine. $3,900, Sacramento, California. This 1970 Volkswagen Squareback blends classic air-cooled styling with desirable old-school performance upgrades. According to the seller, it is equipped with a 2110 engine, freeway flyer manual transmission, dual Weber carburetors, front disc brakes, an MP shifter, and custom wheels. The interior is presentable with a nice headliner, though the carpet needs cleaning and the door panels show warping. The exterior wears older paint with visible body filler cracks and minor rust in the driver's side door, a common Squareback issue. Electrical quirks are noted due to a removable aftermarket dashboard, but the car starts easily and feels solid overall. With a clean California title and significant investment in the drivetrain, this Squareback offers strong value as a driver or light restoration candidate. Number 2. 1950 Ford Deluxe Custom, $11,500, Medford, Oregon. This 1950 Ford Deluxe Custom is a clean, well-kept example of early post-war American design, powered by a flathead 8-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. It shows approximately 86,000 miles. The seller reports long-term local ownership and careful maintenance over the past 20 years. Known for their smooth ride and timeless body lines, these models remain highly respected among collectors. With a clean title and a straightforward reason for sale, this Ford represents a solid opportunity to own a largely original American classic. Number 3. 1981 Chevrolet Corvette, $12,000, Independence, Missouri. This 1981 Chevrolet Corvette is a well-preserved third-generation example showing just under 70,000 miles. Finished in maroon metallic and powered by the L81 350 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission, it is described as tight, smooth, and free of rattles. Features include glass T-top panels, power driver seat, power locks, and cruise control. The cloth interior shows minor staining but no tears, and the fiberglass body is free of cracks or structural repairs. While the paint has chips and touch-ups, this Corvette remains a strong driver with a clean Missouri title. Number 4. 1979 Lincoln Mark V Collector Series, $20,000, Turner, Oregon. This 1979 Lincoln Mark V Collector Series represents peak American luxury coupe styling. Showing 71,500 miles, it remains mostly original aside from a new carburetor, exhaust system, and tires. Finished in blue and powered by a large V8 engine with an automatic transmission, the car emphasizes comfort and effortless cruising. Collector Series models were produced in limited numbers and came well equipped from the factory. With excellent overall condition and a clean title, this Lincoln is a standout choice for luxury classic enthusiasts. Number 5. 1971 Buick Riviera, $18,500, Fountain Hills, Arizona. This 1971 Buick Riviera is a second-owner car showing 74,000 original miles and has been Arizona-owned since 1999. The body is straight and solid, and the car runs strong and smooth. Known for its distinctive styling and comfortable ride, the Riviera is increasingly difficult to find in unmodified condition. While it would benefit from fresh paint and minor interior seat repairs, it retains a clean title and solid mechanical condition, making it a very usable classic driver. Number 6. 1976 Pontiac Trans Am, $18,000, Mesa, Arizona. This 1976 Pontiac Trans Am has undergone a mechanical restoration featuring a rebuilt 400 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission. Upgrades include a Holly Sniper fuel injection system, a new 3-inch exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers, and powder-coated structural components. The car is rust-free but shows cosmetic imperfections and would benefit from a repaint. Originally finished in Firethorn Red, this Trans Am offers classic muscle car style with modern drivability enhancements and a clean title. Number 7. 1967 Plymouth Convertible, $18,000, Escondido, California. This 1967 Plymouth Convertible is a near-complete project that runs and drives well. It retains its original 383 cubic inch engine with an automatic transmission and includes numerous new components such as a convertible top, disc brakes, air conditioning system, wiring harness, and suspension parts. Remaining work primarily involves completing the wiring installation. With no rust and a clean California title, this Plymouth offers open-top classic appeal with most major upgrades already completed. Number 8. 1966 Plymouth Barracuda, $18,500, Vista, California. This 1966 Plymouth Barracuda is a road-ready classic powered by the dependable 225 cubic inch slant 6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 35,000 miles, though it has rolled over. Recent brake service, a rebuilt carburetor, and excellent tires contribute to its reliable performance. The car recently completed a 300-mile drive without issues. With excellent paint and interior condition, this Barracuda is well suited for regular driving and classic car events. Number 9. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, $18,000, Los Angeles, California. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu is a long-term ownership performance build featuring a 406 cubic inch small block engine with forged internals and an estimated output of 500 to 550 horsepower. It is paired with a Tremex 6-speed manual transmission and a reinforced rear end with limited slip differential. The chassis and braking systems have been upgraded to manage the power. While final plumbing and electrical work remain, this Chevelle is a serious project intended for an experienced muscle car enthusiast. Number 10. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle, $17,500, Riverside, California. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle is a solid California car, powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a new automatic overdrive transmission. It features factory power disc brakes and power steering and retains original black California license plates. The body and floors are solid with no rust. While the paint and interior need attention, the car runs well and can be driven as is. It comes with a clean title and current registration. Number 11. 1950 Dodge Wayfarer two-door coupe, $16,999, Albuquerque, North Valley, New Mexico. This 1950 Dodge Wayfarer two-door coupe is an exceptionally well-preserved early 1950s classic. Powered by the original 230 cubic inch straight-six engine with a 3-speed fluid drive transmission, it delivers a smooth and relaxed driving experience. The odometer shows 52,107 miles and has rolled over. Recent updates include a new aluminum radiator, electric fuel pump, head gasket, carburetor, and 6-volt battery. Owned by the seller since 2003, this Dodge offers strong condition, period charm, and a clean New Mexico title.